Okay, this is probably one of the most interesting methods that I have seen how you can make money with ChatGPT. Take a look at this site. This digital product is selling for $7.99 and with estimated monthly sales volume of 201 copies. If you do the math real quick, that comes to $7.99 times 201. That comes to over $1,600 every single month just for this copy. But this is not even the best one on this site yet. This one up here is also selling for $7.99 but with estimated monthly sales volume of 474. And if you do math on that one real quick, over $3,700 every single month just for this single digital product. And I'm pretty sure not single one of these people selling these products is using this shortcut to make it very simple. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start mass producing these digital products using ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT obviously is not going to be doing all the work for you. All we have to do is just copy from ChatGPT, paste it to a certain website that I'm going to show you, and just like that you can start making thousands of dollars every single month with literally zero investment. So make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm going to give you all the tools necessary. I'll show you all the websites and the exact step-by-step process how to set this up, how to start producing these digital assets, and all I ask in return is just if you could do me a small favor, like this video to help me grow this channel. And for more money-making content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I release a brand new money-making video, you'll be notified immediately and you get to watch it right away. Okay, so first of all, go to ChatGPT, and for those who do not know yet, this is a AI language model chat box developed by OpenAI, and it understands and can reply to a huge variety of text comments that you may put into it. And in today's method, we are going to be utilizing one of these features to produce something that if we package it into the right form, we can sell for a lot of money. So just go to ChatGPT, and what you want to do here is just type in this very specific request. Please write me a crossword puzzle of medium difficulty on theme, and for theme just choose anything that you like. Okay, for the demonstrational purposes in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with theme museum. So just hit enter and you can see ChatGPT is going to do its thing. Now it's going to make some excuses why it cannot do the such thing. It will not obviously generate the entire crossword with columns and rows and all the fields to fill in, but it's going to give us a bunch of clues and bunch of answer words that we can use to generate our very own crossword puzzle if you've got all the right tools to do it. And by the end of this video, we will have all those tools necessary. So just wait for the ChatGPT to finish generating these crossword puzzle clues and answers. And it looks like it has forgotten to give us the answers. So I just kindly ask it to provide the answers as well. And just like that, it's going to give us a bunch of answers for the clues that it has provided earlier. Now what you want to do is just wait for it to stop generating because you want to see how many of this is going to generate. In my case, it has given me 6 across and 4 up and down. Now once I have all these answers, don't close this chat. You will want to copy it and paste it somewhere later. What you want to do next is go to Google and search for Xwords Generator. Now hit enter on this and go to this very first site here, which is called xwordsgenerator.de. It's a German site, but it's also available in English too. And as you can see, it's a very simple online form that you can use to generate crossword puzzle on demand if you have all the answers and clues that you want to put in there. For example, you can see there's question 1 and answer 1. So just go back to ChatGPT, copy this first clue right here, paste it into this field, and you can see you've got option to put another just under it. So just go ahead and copy all these clues generated by ChatGPT to Xwords. And just like that, I have copied all the 10 clues provided by ChatGPT into Xwords. Now all I need to do is just copy and paste these answers as well into Xwords. Just go ahead and copy and paste it one by one. And once you have all the answers copied as well, you can see right here there's these additional options. Now here you can select different things that you want in your crossword. For example, text size, background color, text font, and all the good stuff. But for the sake of keeping this video short enough, I'm not going to play with any of this right now. But once you're creating your own crossword, you may want to look in this and change some settings to your own liking. Once you have everything set up just as you want it, just go down here and click on generate puzzle, and just like that you will be provided with this image of crossword puzzle that's waiting to be solved. You've got all these columns and rows, and you've got all these clues for words that you want people to look for in this crossword puzzle. Now as you can see right here, you've got solution down here as well, but we don't need to bother ourselves with this in today's method. All we need to do is just focus on this top side right here. What you want to actually do is go ahead and generate multiple of these crosswords like this. Just go to ChatGPT and type in this very exact request. Please write me a crossword puzzle of difficulty of your choice. You can select anything from simple, medium, hard, all the way to super hard. That's anything that you can think of. And just go ahead and select variety of themes. Do fruit, flowers, history, famous people, cars. Generate multiple answers from ChatGPT on these questions so you can construct a bunch of these crosswords. Once you do that, just click on export PNG right here, and this image of the crossword as it is will be downloaded to your computer. You can see it right here when you open it. That is the exact same thing. It's the columns and rows, and here are the clues. So just go ahead and generate a bunch of these, and what you want to do next is go to the site right here that's called bookbolt.io. You can sign up for your free account right here, and once you complete that, just log into your account, and once you're inside your account, you can search for books that are published on Amazon but you can search them through this website. For example, let's put in the crosswords book that we've been dealing with earlier. Just click on search and you can see all these crossword books that are being published on Amazon, but they have been created through this site because this website actually has its own built-in book designer. But if you look at the Amazon, you can see it's the same book, it's published for the same price, but it has been created on this site called bookball.io, and there's a bunch of these crossword books right here. You can search for anything else but here, but today I'm going to show you how to do this with crossword books. Now to start your own book, just click on this research button right here and click on create, then just go to Bookball Studio and here just click on create a project, and you want to select paperback, cover and interior, because actually once you publish the book, people can order it on Amazon as a paperback. All you need to do is just publish the blueprint, how the book should look like, and once people order it, they can order it as an ebook or a paperback or an actual physical copy of the book. For that reason, I highly recommend using Bookball because this is a professional platform that allows you to construct your books. So just go ahead and name your project something, for example like awesome crosswords or anything that's just for your own reference, and also for the size select 6x9 and then just select page count at least 50. You want your book to have at least 50 pages because if you take a look at this one, you can see it has 98 pages. That means 98 pages full of crosswords. I highly encourage you to put more pages and more crosswords in there, but it's going to take a lot of time obviously. This shouldn't matter though, because once you set this up, you will upload this book to Amazon and it will be making you money for many weeks and months to come. So just go ahead and put in as many pages as you're willing to do, then click on create project, go to the first blank page and select this image right here, and you need to upload the PNG with a crossword on it. So just go ahead and select upload image, paste it right there, then just double click on it and it will be pasted to this site. Now you may want to stretch it or move it depending on how big you want your crosswords. Actually, you can put two on the same side. If the size of the crossword allows it, you can squeeze it a little bit and put there too. Otherwise, just go ahead and stretch it all across the page, something like this. And what you want to actually do is do this for all of these pages right here. As many pages as you selected, go ahead and paste the PNG with a crossword onto them. And a good book requires a good cover as well. So you need to place two images right here that will serve as a cover, but you don't have to draw anything yourself. What you want to do is go to canva.com and here in the search bar, type in puzzle book cover, hit enter, and you will be presented with all these pre-made templates that you can use for the cover of the book. But obviously most of these won't serve the theme, but on top of right here you can see there's a bunch of puzzle books involving puzzle in the cover. So just go ahead and select any of these that you like, but I'm going to show you how to do that actually on this one, which doesn't have any puzzle on it. And the reason why is because you can customize this however you want. For example, get rid of this right here, and a good book needs a author's name. I'm going to put this down here, just put my name in there, something like this. Okay, then change the title to something like 50 awesome crossword puzzles or any title that you want. What you want to do next is go to elements right here and you want to look for puzzle. Place a couple of these puzzles right here so it fits the theme. For example, make it something like this so it's coming over the side. Okay, and then just go ahead and select this one, place it here so it looks colorful as well. Now obviously if you're using Canva Pro, you can search for crossword puzzle and you'll get these designs that are only available in Canva Pro. You can use some of those as well, but for that you will need either Canva Pro trial or to pay for Canva. But because I want to make this method with literally zero investment, I'm just going to use these free elements to create this book cover. And once you have finished, just click on share right here and download this, and it will be downloaded as a PDF. Don't be afraid to download it as a PDF, just click on download, then just don't close Canva yet because we need to create the back cover as well. To do that, just get rid of this title right here, rearrange these elements a little bit, for example something like this. Okay, this should serve as a back cover very well. Then just share and download this as well. Then just go back to Bookball and you want to upload the PDFs as a cover. Just click on the image buttons again, upload, choose PDF file, place both your images into the cover section and stretch it so it fills the entire section of the cover, just like that. Now you can see this is not a very well designed cover, okay, but I'm doing this for the demonstrational purposes. I'm going to show you how to do this so you can do this yourself. Spend as much time as you really need with this and design very well your cover, because the cover is going to be selling the entire book. And once you have done that, you've got your book created, you've got your covers, and you've got your pages with the crossword puzzle. Simply just go ahead and click on download and download it as a CMYK and RGB. You need to download both of these files. So just download it twice, click on each of these, and it will be downloaded to your computer after it's done finishing. Now after you finish creating your book on bookball.io, just quickly hop onto Amazon. If you don't have an account yet, register for your account, publish the book for sale anywhere between $5 to $10. You can see that these books go anywhere between $5 to $10. For example, this one's $8.46, this one's $7.99, this one's almost $10. There are more expensive books, but those are professionally made and contain a lot more pages. For example, this one has 336 pages. If you feel like it, you can go ahead and create a book that has many pages and sell it for more. But what I highly recommend is actually a secret hack. This is the secret hack for all the people that still keep watching till the the end of the video. Once you finish creating your book on BookBolt, don't close this editor. Just hop onto Canva, select different book design, customize it a little bit to fit the theme, then just upload it to the same body of the book, the same crosswords that you have generated. For example, you have generated 50 crosswords, keep them all in, just change this cover right here, download the book again, then just go to Amazon and publish it under different cover. It can be the same book, literally the same book, but it has different cover, and different covers appeal to different people. That way you can sell the same book multiple times and can multiply your results. And as you can see, these books go anywhere between $5 to $10, and they're selling hundreds of copies every single month. For example, this one for $7 has sold 332 copies. This one has sold 336 copies. Once your book blows up, it's going to stay on Amazon, it's going to keep selling, and you will be making thousands of dollars with this very easily. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this yet another almost unknown method that you can make money with ChatGPT. And if you did, please make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel to help me grow the channel, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so as soon as I release the next money making video, you'll be notified immediately and get to watch it right away. And also, guys, put this method to work and make some money with it, and after you do, come back to this video and down in the comments let me know how much money you have made. So that's all from me today, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and if you're looking forward to seeing yet another cool money making video, try checking out this one, and I'm going to see you next time.